In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of not being able to finish previewing in Adobe Illustrator. If you've ever been working on a project and suddenly found yourself unable to complete the preview, you're not alone. Many Illustrator users encounter this problem, but thankfully, there's a straightforward solution to get you back on track. First, let's get started by opening Adobe Illustrator on your computer. If you've already got the program running, you're off to a great start. Once Illustrator is open, direct your attention to the top of your screen. There, you'll find the Edit menu. Go ahead and click on it. This menu is filled with useful options, and it's essential for customizing your Illustrator experience. Now, within the Edit menu, you'll see a list of choices. Look for Preferences and select it. This will open up a new window with several more options that allow you to tailor Illustrator's settings to better fit your needs. Preferences are a powerful tool because they let you adjust the software's behavior to make your workflow more efficient. Within the Preferences window, navigate to the Plugins and Scratch Disk section. The Scratch Disks are essentially temporary storage areas where Illustrator can store information while you're working on your projects. Sometimes, if there's not enough available space on your primary Scratch Disk, it can cause issues like the one you're experiencing with previewing. Once you've clicked on Plugins and Scratch Disk, you'll see an option to change your primary Scratch Disk. What you want to do here is select a disk that has more available space. This is crucial because having plenty of free space ensures that Illustrator can operate smoothly without interruptions. If your computer has multiple drives or partitions, choose the one with the most available storage to set as your primary Scratch Disk. After you've selected the new Scratch Disk, look for the OK button and give it a click. This action saves your changes and applies them to Illustrator, so everything is set up just right. With these adjustments, you should find that previewing in Illustrator can be completed without any further issues, allowing you to focus on your creativity and productivity. Remember, keeping an eye on your disk space and making adjustments as needed can help prevent this issue from recurring. So next time you're deep in design mode, you won't be interrupted by pesky preview problems. Thanks for watching, and I hope these steps have been helpful in resolving your issue with Adobe Illustrator. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.